Hi there, I'm Melissa Greenwood and welcome to my home studio. Today I'm going to demonstrate the Jackknife for you on my Balanced Body Contrology mat using one of my Balanced Body circles. I'm going to pick the mini one for today's demo. Please follow along with me. So, magic circle going between the ankles to keep us in our inner thighs, which is going to keep us in our powerhouse, and we're going to push into the poles to keep us in our back muscles. So we're going to go overhead and then we'll candlestick up and then articulate down. Here we go. Going overhead and up. And squeeze the circle, push into the poles, and melting down. Staying in our powerhouse, in our center. One more time. I'm going to take it up to tempo without talking. Here we go. Let me know how it goes.